What's up, guys? Back out here for this afternoon's hunt and stuff. There's my bow and bow case. Told you I was getting a new bag today for carrying a bow and whatnot. This is it. Carries my bow and everything I need all in one shot. Pretty nifty. But other than this wind, it's a really nice day out here today, so hopefully I can get out there and be successful today. I'm gonna hunt the northeast field today. As you know, I got a tree stand over there, so I'm gonna get up there a little early, set up my tripod and stuff in the tree, and hopefully get a good video for you guys, but most importantly, some meat for the freezer. I do have a doe tag now and whatnot, so if a doe walks out, I'll be putting meat in the freezer. But if a buck walks out, I'll be filling a buck tag and putting meat in the freezer and antlers on the wall. So when I get back to the truck later, or otherwise, other than the little footage I'm going to throw in here and there, if I shoot a deer, you'll be the first to know. And it'll be on video because I'll be using this cam to do it and the cam on my bow. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the video, and whether or not I shoot a deer tonight, I'll finish the vlog later when I get back to the truck. So stay tuned and hang tight, people. Thanks for watching. See you in a bit.
What's up, guys? Well, I can honestly say if today was an opening day that I wouldn't be here. It's super duper windy. I think I might end up moving over to the ground blind out of the wind. I'm not sure. But I don't think we're gonna see anything today. It's honestly too windy in my opinion. 35-mile-an-hour wind gusts coming out of the northeast. So if it was about 20 kilometers an hour less, it'd be guys, hang tight. If I end up moving over to the ground blind, I'll get back to you after I do. See you then.
pretty slow as far as deer go, but it's pretty windy, and although the wind's cold, that sun's hot. I think I'm gonna stay about another half an hour and then pack her in and go eat some dinner and stuff. Tomorrow's supposed to be really cold and barely any wind, so of course I'll be back out here in the morning. As you've seen, I had a bunch of turkeys come out. That's surprising. But this little hollow right here, where this blind is, there's no wind right now. The wind's going over top of it. And as you've seen, when the turkeys got out in the wind, they turned around and started going the other way and left the field. So, like I say, I'm going to stay about another half an hour, and then I'm going to pack her in and probably do an end of the vlog when I get back to the truck. But anyways, guys, hang tight, and I'll be back with you soon. Hey guys, this is a bit different, isn't it? Yeah, it's a car vlog. I know I said earlier on in the video that I was going to get back to you at the end of that hunt. I ended up having a landowner walk through my spot, so I kind of just left and didn't have time between getting that online and stuff like that and making dinner. I didn't have a whole lot of time, but I figured I'd make this vlog. I'm on my way to Goderich, Ontario right now, which is about 20 minutes away from where I live, and I'm gonna get some deer corn. Hold on, the truck in front of me has something dragging on the ground in front of his back tire. If that catches his tire, it's gonna come right through the windshield. But as I was saying, I'm gonna go get some deer corn. I went and looked at the other spot that I recently acquired like a week before deer season opened. I went and looked at that after this morning's hunt, and it seems pretty decent, man. Guys, the only thing about it is there's a big windmill on it. I plan on, when going out there after I get back, I'm probably gonna put a trail camera up there and go and figure out where I'm gonna set my stand. But I'm gonna go into Goderich, get some deer corn, go put it out at my other spot, and I think I'm gonna use the new spot as an afternoon spot and use the other spot that I'm currently hunting in the morning. So that being said, I don't want to bore you with a whole drive for 20 minutes, so I'm gonna let yous go now, and when I get the corn, I'll get back to yous. So that'll probably be when I get home too, so hang tight, and I'll be right back with you. Peace. Alright guys, here we are. I'm gonna lay this corn down as deer corn. Sorry for the wind, but that's why I'm not hunting. You know, I seen 6 deer this morning. I don't take my camera in the morning time because it's just too much to set up in there in the morning. Alright? But I have the one on my bow still. But they came out from over there. When I noticed them, 3 had already went by, and then right in there I noticed the 3 little fawns, and they were tiny things, man. They look like little wiener dogs going through the long grass. And then up over here is when I noticed that there was actually 6 of them, and one of them I'm pretty sure was trash bag. The other 2 were a couple does. So it's a little bit windy today for me, in my opinion. It's really slow too, and I figure I'm gonna use this to my advantage and, you know, lay down some deer corn here, and then I'm gonna go set up the other spot tomorrow. But tonight Miranda and I are going to go and probably pick out a tree back there, so the sooner I get this done, the sooner I can finish up. And I'm gonna end the video here, and then tomorrow when we put the tree stand up, I'll make another video about that. So anyways guys, with that being said, I'm gonna shut her down. And holy crap, I'm starting to talk like vlogging life. My bad, buddy. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here and then put this video up on YouTube. I got yesterday's footage in today's video too. But you guys know that I'm gonna be on a live show with Vlogging Life tonight, and if you wanna know about that, because you don't know, contact me on Facebook. Jair is Jair Harris. That's my name, Jair Harris. Jair Harras, or IS, sorry. But anyways, like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. And until the next time, peace!